Dear friends, in this video, we will discuss how to draft an effective resume construction professional. This explain importance of drafting effective resume for selection for interview. A resume is the most vital document for your job search. Hiring managers and recruiters look at resume for an average 5 to 10 seconds each, so it is important for every job seeker to spend the appropriate amount of time for drafting resume. You have to use actionable keyword as per job description, skill set as desired by employer and many more, and also you have to avoid common mistakes for high probability for selection for interview. This is the first step in getting interview call. If you need a PDF version of this video, then please write your name, mobile, and email in the comment section. We will provide it either by WhatsApp or email. Also, subscribe our YouTube channel INFRAMECHANIZER. This is 100% free. Without wasting more time, now we are starting our main agenda. What shall we talk about today? 1. What is job resume? 2. What are the types of resume? 3. Why do you need a great and effective resume? 4. What is a job cover letter? 5. How to avoid common resume mistakes. 6. What are the steps to produce an effective resume? 7. What are the key elements of a resume? What is job resume? Resumes tell the employer about your academic and personal experiences, skills and work history, including before and after school activities, volunteer work, and/or jobs. Resume is for indicating that you are a good and qualified for the position and bring desirable skills to the job. Why is a resume important? A resume is the most vital document for your job search, where you can display your relevant skills and qualities to a potential employer. Hiring managers and recruiters look at resumes for an average of 5 to 10 seconds each, so it's important that you make every second count. Resumes help employers make hiring decisions and help you stand out from the crowd and persuade prospective employers that you are qualified for a position and deserve an interview, but a weak resume can remove you from the interview call. What are the types of resumes? 1. Chronological resume. 2. Functional resume. 3. Combination resume. 4. Targeted resume. Here is a thorough overview to assist you in comprehending the variations between each resume style and selecting the one that will work best for you to use. 1. Chronological resume. A chronological resume begins with an overview of your career's work history before listing your accomplishments in reverse chronological order. Your most recently held position is listed at the top. Therefore, this format may be better suited to emphasize your qualifications based on your particular skill set or job experience. 2. Functional resume. A functional resume is designed to emphasize your skills and abilities rather than your career progression. It appeals to professionals who want to stray from the norm in their employment history, such as those who are switching careers or have significant gaps in their employment history. 3. Focused resume. A resume that is specifically written or created for a particular position is referred to as a focused resume. Make sure to write each part of your resume in a style that best highlights your essential skill, qualifications and experience matching to the job description. 4. Hybrid resume. A functional and chronological resume's features are combined to create a hybrid resume. It is also sometimes referred to as a combination resume or combo resume. While a functional resume prioritizes skills and a chronological resume prioritizes experience, a combination resume frequently strikes a balance between the two to highlight your qualities. Why you need a great and effective resume? 1. Grabs the attention of employers and recruiters. 2. Sells your strongest skills and accomplishments. 3. Shows how you are a match for a position or project. 4. And most importantly, gets you a job interview. What is a job cover letter? A cover letter is a one-page letter that you submit when applying to a job, along with your resume. As a piece of persuasive writing, your cover letter will aim to convey to the employer why you are a great candidate for the role. The job cover letters are of following types. Application cover letter. An application cover letter is written to apply for a certain job. Referral cover letter. A referral cover letter mentions the name of the person who referred you to the job. Networking cover letter. A networking cover letter mentions the reference of social media reference. What is difference between cover letter and resume? A cover letter should focus specifically on present and future objectives, and a resume represents previous jobs and accomplishments. What are common resume mistakes? 1. Including a resume objective. Instead of including a resume objective, write a professional summary at the top of your resume. A resume objective is a brief statement about what you are hoping to achieve in your career, while professional summary describes your unique qualifications to show employers how you can benefit their organization as a new employee. 2. Describing unrelated work experience. Providing information about your relevant experience shows employers you have the qualifications to perform relevant tasks well. 3. Providing few details. For each job on your resume, include enough details to explain how you were successful in the role. 4. Adding references. Though many employers ask for references to evaluate job candidates, only add references when a potential employer specifically asks for it. 5. Listing irrelevant skills. While you likely have a diverse skill set, use your resume to target skills relevant to the list of skills in the job description. 6. Using the same resume for all applications. When submitting multiple job applications, customize your resume for each job to show employers why you are the best candidate for that specific role. 7. Having outdated contact information. It's important to ensure the contact information on your resume is up to date. 8. Describing job duties only. In your work experience section, provide information about both your job duties and accomplishments you have had in each role. 9. Creating a short or lengthy resume. Employers often evaluate candidates quickly, and a lengthy resume may deter them from reviewing your application, and short resume may not be sufficient for hiring manager evaluation. 10. Including salary requirements. While you may have specific salary requirements for a new position, refrain from including this information on your resume. 11. Listing hobbies. You have limited space on your resume to describe your qualifications and attract employers' attention. For this reason, avoid listing hobbies that are unrelated to the new position. 12. Attaching a photo. In general, refrain from including a photo of yourself on your resume. 13. Mislabeling the file. It's common to upload a resume on a website or email the document to potential employers. When submitting your application electronically, choose an appropriate resume file name. You can save the file by using your name followed by the word resume. What are the steps to produce an effective resume? Prepare. 1. Make a list of your own skills. First, write down all your hard and soft skills. 2. Rank your skills according to proficiency. This helps you stay honest with yourself when deciding which employer-sought skills to include or emphasize on your resume. 3. List accomplishments and the skills used to achieve them. Consider projects you have taken on in school, as well as any jobs you have held, and the skills you built along the way. 4. List accomplishments in terms of measurable. Include list of accomplishment in terms of figures to show how your skills helped employers. 5. Make a list of all other requirements for the role. Look for the required years of experience, education, and all other qualifications outlined in the job description. Align your resume with the job description. 6. Decide which style of format to be used. Before drafting of resume, decide resume style of format, functional, focused or combination. 7. Use the job description's exact phrasing and spelling. Look and study job description as per advertisement and include exact phrasing and spelling when writing your resume. 8. Don't forget to include quantifiable metrics. Include quantifiable metrics. These are critical to showing hiring managers exactly how your skills contributed to your previous employers. Create a resume to succeed. 9. Keep your resume short and direct. Keep resume short and to the point. The general rule is no more than 1 page unless you have a very good reason for it to be longer, like an extensive career or a lot of highly applicable work experience. Your resume should be focused, clear and concise. 10. Consider your resume's design. The visual style you choose can reflect whether you have a sense of a company's culture. Generally, in business, you will want a simple, clean design. 11. Avoid simple, disqualifying mistakes. Spelling and grammar errors turn high-value keywords into irrelevant filler. Also use requested a specific file format to ensure your resume will be presented at its best. 12. Optimize your text. Emphasized adapting your resume to the position to increase your likelihood of passing the first level. 13. Use the right language to stand out. Make sure you are using strong action words, such as achieved, designed, improved, implemented, maintained, troubleshoot, audited, prepared, and established to describe your roles and projects. 14. List your social media profiles. Many hiring managers today screen candidates on social networks. Save them a step by providing your profile links on your resume. Your social profiles can be a powerful recruitment tool to supplement your experience and position as an expert in your field, but only if they are leveraged correctly. What are the key elements of a resume? Make sure your resume, at the very least, has the following sections. 1. Header. Include your names, phone numbers, and email addresses when entering your resume's contact data. You may also include your LinkedIn profile. Name, current and permanent address may be omitted from a resume posted on the web. 2. Professional summary. It must cover a brief rundown of your major accomplishments and professional experience. Your introduction might resemble a resume objective or summary. This statement should be related to the specific position for which you are applying. 3. Experience. Under this section, you may include relevant job history. Include your position, the company you worked for, the duration of your employment, and bullet points outlining your primary responsibilities, notable accomplishments, and project work. 4. Summer jobs, internships, volunteer work, first job only. Include position title, company organization, city, state, dates, and a brief list of the job duties. 5. Education. The schools you attended, your highest degree achieved, your majors and minors can all be listed in your resume's education section. 6. Awards and honors. Academic, musical, athletic, and or other recognition. Include the name of the award honor, who awarded it, and when it was awarded. If not sufficient data, then do not include this section. 7. Certification. Mention all training and certificate detail. If not sufficient data, then do not include this section. 8. Social society memberships. Any professional field-related experience. If not sufficient data, then do not include this section. 9. Skills. In this section, you may mention any skills that are relevant to the position. To demonstrate that you are a well-rounded applicant, use a well-balanced blend of hard and soft skills. Soft skills being responsible, loyal, hard-working, energetic, outgoing. Hard skills, research and writing, Microsoft Word 98, Microsoft Publisher 2000, public speaking. 10. References. Include reference detail only if employer demands. 11. Include additional resume sections, languages, hobbies, etc. Include hobbies only if it is beneficial as per job description, otherwise exclude them. Include language awareness, read, write, speak, understand. This is the key to success. Friends, we discuss about how to draft an effective resume construction professional. We need to understand that unless you draft professional looking effective resume and cover letter, probability of getting interview call may be less. Hence spend sufficient time in resume drafting. There are many websites is available. This can provide good design of resume and cover letter, take help for getting 100% success in interview call. Also spend minimum 15 to 30 minutes every day for improvement in your soft skill and hard skill. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comment section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. If you need PDF version of this video, then please write your name, mobile and email in comment section. We will provide either by WhatsApp or email. Also subscribe our YouTube channel INFRAMECHANIZER. This is 100% free.